What's up? Magnificent Game Lord here, and today I have a little bit of a problem. I was trying to play some Xbox, but it won't turn on. Look, it's because I have my finger on the power thing. Yeah, it's kind of hard to see because it's dark, but I've been pressing the power button, I've been pressing the eject button, nothing. And even if I try to unplug it from the power source, plug it back in, nothing. Because, I don't know what happened. Hang on. I can hear it running, but it doesn't want to work. Okay, because I mean the TV works and all, but I'm not sure about the Xbox itself. I guess I need to play on my Game Boy then. Magnificent Game Lord out.